Hello, and welcome to EDS Client Tutorial 2. In this tutorial, we will talk about the desktop client's main screen. The models listed on the left represent all the stations grouped by their domain. We can see its status, name, last update timestamp, and alarm status for each station. In the case of an active alarm in a model, the model's line on the list will be colored according to the alarm's severity. Selecting a model from the left with a left click will trigger three actions. 1. It will focus the map on the model's location. 2. It will show the model's most updated measurements in the bottom left table. And 3. In case of an active alarm, its details will display the details of the alarms in the bottom right table. Checking the Refresh Models checkbox will automatically refresh the list every 5 minutes. To refresh the list and map manually, click on the Refresh option from the menu bar. After picking a model from the list, a right-click on its line will display a menu for the following options: Charts, Data, Current Alarm, Historical Alarms, Reports, and Measurements Dashboard. These options correspond to the selected model. It is important to left-click on the model before choosing an option from the right-click menu. This menu's options will be discussed in the next tutorials. One of the main features which distinguish the EDS client from the server is the map. The map presents the stations on top of a Google map. Each station has an icon indicating its type and working status. There are 7 types of stations: regular station, battery-operated station, ingoing reservoir, outgoing reservoir, external water source, pressure reducer station, and a local pump. The icon's colors will vary according to the station's statuses, which are OK, green, high alert, red, medium alert, orange, low alert, yellow, communication problem, gray, and powered off, dark gray. The entire icons list and their meanings can be found in the Legend option inside the Info menu at the top menu bar. The icons in the Legend are clickable and display an info window about the icon. In case you would like to search for a custom location on the map, use the text box filled with "Search by address or coordinates." Type inside the text box the same way you would type on a Google Maps search and click Go. The map will focus on the requested location. To return the map to its default settings, please click Refresh from the menu bar. The File option from the menu contains 3 options: Measurements, Alarms Center, and the Spatial Model. Each of the above will have an individual tutorial. Next on the menu bar is the Reports button, which leads to the Reports screen. The Logout button disconnects the user from the server. Clicking it will close the application, and on the next run, the user will have to enter his credentials. Thank you. We hope this tutorial was helpful and clear. For more details, please go to our website.